Simplicity is the new sophistication. In security, we've built some incredibly advanced systems over the years, but somewhere along the way, complexity became the norm. Now, integrators and end users, they have to juggle multiple platforms and logins and dashboards just to get their simple work done. True sophistication isn't about adding more layers. It's about making powerful technology feel effortless. Now, when systems all work together seamlessly, people can focus on what matters most: safety and awareness and trust. And that's what stood out in my conversation with Genetec. Their Security Center SaaS unifies both access and video into one intuitive, cloud-friendly platform. And it makes video search smart and fast. And it also shows their real commitment to the adoption of mobile credentials, a much simpler and more secure experience for everyone. For me, that's simplicity and power done right. Head over to my YouTube channel, The Mercury Minute, to catch the full episode with Genetec, and don't forget to subscribe. That's The Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See y'all next time.